In this video I'm going to cut to the chase. I'm not going to show you guys the boxes and stuff. They barely make sense, and I have unboxed all these IEMs before, and a simple Google search will show you all the unboxing you need. So let's cut to the chase. Let's look at the real deal, why you guys buy IEMs. This is the Oral Definition Pro 5, and this is the Pola 39. Let's start with the size comparison now. Yeah, definitely the size is different. There is no doubt about that. The Pro 5 is smaller. Obviously, you guys can see the Pro 5 is smaller in every direction. It is, yeah, the depth I cannot say the depth is a problem, because we all of us will like a slightly deeper fit that gives a more secure kind of feel to things, and that is more desirable. But Pola 39 is not very shallow either. It's fairly secure enough, and on the weight both are similarly heavy. Okay, so I missed the driver configuration. This is single dynamic driver and 2 EST electrostatic driver, while this has five BA drivers. We guys can see the drivers here, and let's look at the cables. This is a pure silver cable. I initially thought that this is a SPC cable, but got confirmation from Oral Definition that this is a pure silver cable, and is priced at around $249 on its own. So this is a slightly more expensive cable than this one. This is a Symphonium cable. This is a pure copper cable, and is priced at $130 on its own. So very good cables. 4 core. This is a 4 core cable too. This is slightly on the stiffer side. This is slightly less stiffer. Still, the lids will always be on the stiffer side, but this is not as stiff as the Symphonium. Symphonium has slightly harder layer of rubber on it, or whatever they put on it. That is slightly on the harder side. Nevertheless, let's look at the sound quality. Let's start with the sound quality. Now, obviously the BA driver IEM is lacking with the bass. It is not the bassiest IEM you can find in the market, no doubts about that. And so it is for the dynamic driver housing Pola 39. Pola is good with the bass. There is good amount of sub bass and stuff, but it is not a bassy IEM. That's the difference here. It is not a very bassy IEM. If you are looking for plenty of bass, I'll not say that any of these IEMs will satisfy you. If you are looking for good amount of bass, look for something else. No doubts about that. Even though this has good amount of volumes, good amount of sub bass and everything, it is not a bassy IEM. I will never consider Pola 39 as a voluminous bassy IEM. It's a fairly balanced IEM with good volume, good bass. This one has good sub bass reach, reasonable amount of sub bass rumble, but the mid bass is much tighter. Mid bass is very tight and does not have much more slam or punch to it. It is a pure BA kind of bass, and expecting anything more than that is overkill here. This BA driver IEMs are much more accurate and precise, but the volume is not enough. Now, moving on to the mid range, I'll have to give it to the Pola 39 because of its more organic, more involving kind of tonality and timbre. It is very much organic. It sounds very good with the timbre, but does it has that extra bit of details, extra bit of transparency? No, it does not. That can be found with the Pro 5. Pro 5 has the slight bit of extra attack, extra transparency, which makes it sound a bit more detailed, a bit more clearer than the Polar 39. No, you are not missing any amount of details, but thanks to the slightly sharper, slightly more transparent notes, the Pro 5 is better with the perceived amount of details. Can it be sound slightly piercing? Not really. It is not that offensive, but it has more attack, more bite, more traction than the Polar 39. Polar 39 is very soothing kind of IEM. It has a very soothing kind of timbre tonality. It is very good there. Now moving on from that to upper mids, both these IEMs are not very aggressive with upper mids, but this one is slightly more energetic. Still then, there's nothing to be worried about or anything. It is fairly reasonable. It's a BA based IEM, and yeah, the notes are slightly thinner, slightly more detail oriented, accuracy oriented, and the EST on this, thankfully, we are going on to the triple region. The EST on this, thankfully, does not have the slight bit extra amount of attack, slight bit extra amount of aggression we see with most of the IEMs these days. It does not have that rapidness to it, and that is the best part about this IEM. The Polar 39 has that sparkle and stuff, but the decay is much more feelable. The precipitation, the body, the weight is there. Unlike most of the EST based IEMs that have snappiest decay and stuff, this is much more feelable. You can feel the notes weight. Now, Pro 5 is, as I said, is a totally details oriented IEM and does not bother about other stuff. Yeah, it has better transparency, better clarity, better energy till the end and everything else. If you are looking for clarity, Pro 5 will provide you the clarity, the extra bit of clarity. But if you are looking for an enjoying kind of IEM enjoyment, if you want to enjoy the sound, the Polar 39 is the one to pick. And Pro 5 is a very capable IEM. If you want to have some of the best details, best clarity, best transparency, Pro 5 will provide that. Now moving on to the stage size, both are very similar with stage. There is no doubt about that. This one is slightly lesser stage depth and corner placement. This is more rounded. The stage is more round in shape, while this one is a bit more dynamic in this square kind of feel. It does not go beyond a point, but then again, both are very similar with the overall dimension, like height and width and depth kind of stuff. Yes, this is slightly more rounded, and you feel, yeah, these instrument are not going as far in the top left or top right corners, which the Polar 39 does. It's a dynamic sounding IEM, more dynamic. This one is more accuracy based IEM, accuracy and precision based IEM. So that's it. I think I touched everything about the sound quality, and this should be good for you to judge if Polar 39. I really believe that both are excellent IEMs, no doubts about that. Pick any.